Need voice banking that's fast and secure? Let's set up US Bank Smart Assistant together. Open the US Bank app and sign in using your username and password or biometrics. Tap the menu, choose Settings, then select Smart Assistant under Services. Enable Smart Assistant and allow microphone access when the prompt appears. Verify your identity with the one-time code sent via text or by confirming security questions. Grant voice activation and choose your preferred recognition, passphrase, or biometric voice match. Now record your wake phrase clearly. Speak in a quiet room, using your natural tone. The app will ask you to repeat the phrase 3 times to build an accurate voice model. Confirm the voice match and set a fallback PIN for added protection. Review privacy settings. Limit voice data sharing and opt out of analytics if you prefer. Try a test command. Say, "Hey Smart Assistant, what's my available balance?" If issues arise, update the app, retry setup, or contact US Bank support. You're all set.